If you need to block someone on your money transfer, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. This guide will help you navigate the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Ria Money Transfer website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to your contacts. Once logged in, locate the section that lists your contacts or transaction history. This is usually found in the main menu or account settings. Step 3. Select the person to block. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose the block option. Look for an option that says block or remove contact. Click on this option to initiate the blocking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block this person. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Ria Money Transfer. Always ensure your account is secure and only interact with trusted contacts.